Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to change the artboard size in Adobe Illustrator so your design fits the exact dimensions you need. First, make sure the document with the artboard you want to edit is active. Now, look at the left toolbar. Click the Artboard Tool. It looks like a square with crop marks. Once selected, your artboard will be outlined. Now you have two easy options. First option, resize manually. Click and drag the edges or corners of the artboard. This is good if you just want to eyeball the size. Second option, enter exact dimensions. Look at the top control bar. You'll see width and height boxes. Click inside and type your exact size. For example, 1920 by 1080 for a video canvas. Press Enter to apply. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.